to a 10 fast fingers typing competition. Whoever gets the most points wins. Challenge accepted. Oh. On your marks, get set, type.
I got 109 words per minute. What did you get?
I got 1,000.
Hey guys, it's Nathan, and I hope you guys enjoyed that little skit. But yeah, wow, 1K. We broke 1K, guys. I don't know what to say, to be honest. I started this channel mostly on a whim. As a photographer, I happen to be a guy with a decent camera and some decent keyboards, so I thought, why not merge my two favorite hobbies together? But here we are today. Yeah, I mean, it baffles me that there are that many people out there literally listening and watching me type on different keyboards for a minute. But hey, if that's what you like, by all means, go ahead. Yeah, I mean, at the time of making this video, I think my Holy Pandas sound test has around 15,000 views. Yeah, here, have some more Holy Pandas. Too bad you can't get those anymore. I just want to thank all of you guys who have been subscribed and watching my videos. It honestly does mean a lot to me. I do try to go and read every single comment that you guys leave and give a reply. And I'm sorry if I haven't replied to yours, but your support and love is not unnoticed. It's honestly what keeps this channel growing. I also feel very privileged to be a part of this content creation aspect of our community. There are many other great channels out there which I highly encourage you guys to check out, but hopefully I'm doing something different and useful at the least. Moving forward, you guys can obviously expect more typing videos, but I do have more engaging and creative content lined up in the future. So what you guys have all been waiting for. I will be holding a giveaway. I have 3 artisans to give away. These are all artisans that I have purchased, and I am by no means sponsored. If you're a sponsor, let's talk. But yeah, there will be a link in the description box down below where you can enter. I will be shipping this out to the winners, 3 different winners. But yeah, hopefully as the channel grows, there will be bigger and better giveaways, such as maybe key sets and even full boards. But yeah, sorry it's not much. This is all I have so far. I did purchase this with my own money. But yeah, once again, thank you so much for the growth and support that you guys have shown me. Let's continue growing this channel. And until next time, peace.